In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Start by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on this section, Code System. Now select Keyboard, on-screen keyboard and Geyboard. Following that, click on text correction over here and use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. If you decide that you do want to use it, I always recommend to try this option as well, called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!